my channel. Well, this is your boy YK Wiki Panda International. Walking to a corner of science where we break down the wonders of science in an easy way, so that each and everyone can understand the terms. Well, today let's explore a question that we all used to ask when we are young, and maybe some of us we are still asking this question: why the sky is blue? Why the sky is blue? Well, you may have heard that the sky reflects the color of the ocean, but that is just a myth. Let's uncover the real truth. Well, first off, let me ask you a question. What color do you think is the sunlight? Well, it might sound as a simple question, but let me explain. Well, it's not just one color. The sunlight is actually a mixture of all colors of the rainbow, of which we call white light. When the sunlight reaches the Earth's atmosphere, it scatters due to the gases and particles present. But who first came to this conclusion? Like, who first understood this colorful phenomenon? Because this was it was none other than Isaac Newton. But before we dive into more of the sky, well, let's take a quick look at Isaac Newton. When I talk of Isaac Newton, before we dive into more of the sky, let's just see what this legendary scientist, well, groundbreaking discoveries in the physics world and then in the math world. He has contributed a lot to this. Born in 1643 in England, Newton formulated laws of motion, universal gravitation, like layering the groundwork for classical mechanics. He also made significant contributions to optics, including his experiments with prisms that revealed the spectrum of colors present in the sunlight. Newton's work revolutionized our understanding of the natural world and it continues to influence scientific inquiry to this date. Now back to the sky. This guy found out that if you pass sunlight through a prism, it splits into different colors, creating a wonderful spectrum. Well, each color in the spectrum has its own unique wavelength. Well, red has a longer wavelength, while violet has shorter ones. Well, here is the key. Shorter waves scatter more easily than longer waves. Now you might wonder why we don't see a violet sky instead of blue. Well, it is all about our eyes now. Remember, we have special cells in our retinas called cones, which are great at detecting red, blue, and green colors. Despite violet light having short waves, yes, the violet light has the short waves. Well, it gets absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere, making it less of it to be visible to us. While additionally, our eyes aren't very sensitive to violet light. So most of the time we see a blue sky because blue light scatters the most in the air, while on a clear day with no clouds, it appears like a blue blanket above us. Well, to sum it up, the sky appears blue due to our fascinating interplay of sunlight scattering and the way our eyes perceive colors. It's not because it reflects the ocean's color, as some may believe. Well, thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel. Keep exploring and asking questions about the world around you. We shall be very happy to answer your questions. Well, this is your boy YQA Panda International. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With much love, Shout out to everybody. Don't forget to like. Bye bye.